11 proven ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. Sticking to a conventional diet and exercise plan can be difficult. However, there are several proven tips that can help you eat fewer calories with ease. There are effective ways to reduce your weight as well as to prevent weight gain in the future. Here are 11 ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. All of them are based on science. Number 1. Chew thoroughly and slow down. Your brain needs time to process that you have had enough to eat. Chewing your food thoroughly makes you eat more slowly, which is associated with decreased food intake, increased fullness, and smaller portion sizes. How quickly you finish your meals may also affect your weight. A recent review of 23 observational studies reported that faster eaters are more likely to gain weight than slower eaters. Fast eaters are also much more likely to be obese. To get into the habit of eating more slowly, it may help you to count how many times you chew each bite. Here is the summary. Eating your food slowly can help you feel more full with fewer calories. It is an easy way to lose weight and prevent weight gain. Number 2. Use smaller plates for unhealthy foods. The typical food plate is larger today than it was a few decades ago. This trend could contribute to weight gain since using a smaller plate may help you eat less by making portions look larger. On the other hand, a bigger plate can make a serving look smaller, causing you to add more food. You can use this to your advantage by serving healthy food on bigger plates and less healthy food on smaller plates. Here's the summary. Smaller plates can trick your brain into thinking you are eating more than you actually are. Therefore, it's smart to consume unhealthy foods from smaller plates, causing you to eat less. Number 3. Eat plenty of protein. Protein has powerful effects on appetite. It can increase feeling of fullness, reduce hunger, and help you eat fewer calories. This may be because protein affects several hormones that play a role in hunger and fullness, including ghrelin and GLP-1. One study found that increasing protein intake from 15% to 30% of calories helped participants eat 441 fewer calories per day and lose 11 pounds over 12 weeks, on average without intentionally restricting any foods. If you currently eat a grain-based breakfast, you may want to consider switching to a protein-rich meal such as eggs. In one study, overweight or obese women who had eggs for breakfast ate fewer calories at lunch compared to those who ate a grain-based breakfast. What's more, they ended up eating fewer calories for the rest of the day and during the next 36 hours. Some examples of protein-rich foods include chicken breasts, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, quinoa, and almonds. portion sizes have increased during the last few decades, especially at restaurants. Larger portions encourage people to eat more and have been linked to an increase in weight gain and obesity. One study in adults found that doubling the size of a dinner appetizer increased calorie intake by 30%. Serving yourself just a little might help you eat significantly fewer calories, and you probably won't even notice the difference. Here's the summary. Larger portion sizes have been linked to obesity and may encourage both children and adults to eat more food. Number 8. Eat without electronic distractions. Paying attention to what you eat may help you consume fewer calories. People who eat while they are watching TV or playing computer games may lose track of how much they have eaten. This in turn can cause overeating. One review of 24 studies found that people who were distracted at a meal ate about 10% more in that sitting. Additionally, absent-mindedness during a meal has an even greater influence on your intake later in the day. People who were distracted at a meal ate 25% more calories at a later meal than those who were present. If you regularly consume meals while watching TV or using electronic devices, you could be inadvertently eating more. These extra calories add up and have a massive impact on your weight in the long term. Here's the summary. People who eat while distracted are more likely to overeat. Paying attention to your meals may help you eat less and lose weight. Number 9. Sleep well and avoid stress. When it comes to health, people often neglect sleep and stress. Both, in fact, have powerful effects on your appetite and weight. A lack of sleep may disrupt the appetite-regulating hormones leptin and ghrelin. Another hormone, cortisol, become elevated when you are stressed. Having these hormones fluctuate can increase your hunger and cravings for unhealthy food, leading to a higher calorie intake. What's more, chronic sleep deprivation and stress may increase your risk of several diseases, including type 2 diabetes and obesity. Here's the summary. Poor sleep and excess stress may imbalance several important appetite-regulating hormones, causing you to eat more. Number 10. Eliminate sugary drinks. Added sugar may very well be the single worst ingredient in the diet today. Sugary beverages like soda have been associated with an increased risk of many diseases. It's very easy to consume excess calories from sugary drinks because liquid calories don't affect fullness the way solid food does. Staying away from these beverages entirely can provide enormous long-term health benefits. However, note that you should not replace soda with fruit juice as it can be just as high in sugar. Healthy beverages to drink instead include water, coffee, and green tea. Here's the summary. Sugary drinks have been linked to an increased risk of weight gain and many diseases. Your brain doesn't register liquid calories as it does solid foods, making you eat more. Number 11. Serve unhealthy foods on red plates. One unusual strategy is to use red plates to help you eat less. Research indicates that this technique at least seems to work with unhealthy snack foods. One study reported that volunteers ate fewer pretzels from red plates than from white or blue plates. The explanation may be that we associate the color red with stop signals and other man-made warnings. Here's the summary. Red plates may help you eat fewer unhealthy snack foods. This may be because the color red triggers a stop reaction. The bottom line, many simple lifestyle habits can help you lose weight. Some have nothing to do with conventional diet or exercise plan. You can use smaller plates, eat more slowly, drink water, and avoid eating in front of the TV or computer. Prioritizing foods rich in protein and viscous fiber may also help. However, it's probably best not to try all these things at once. Experiment with one technique for a while, and if that works well for you, then try another one. A few simple changes can have a massive impact on your weight over the long term.